Hey everyone, welcome back to the campground. If you're going camping, do you really want to mess with a grill like this when you could cook with a grill like this? This is the Cuisinart CGG 180TS. And what does the S stand for? Well, silver, of course. And I love this thing. It merges portability and grilling performance almost into one. In fact, watch this. So you're ready to leave and take this to a tailgate or to the park or something like that? Just lock the lid, pick it up, close the legs, and you're ready to go. But that's just the best feature up front. There's a lot to really like about this. So let's get into it a little bit more. First thing to really like is the cook space. It's 150 square inches of cook space. So what does that mean to you and me? Well, to make it easy, it really cooks for about a family of 4. Anything more than 4, you're gonna have to rotate through. So if you're cooking for 8 people and you wanna do burgers, you might have to cook the first 4 and then the next 4 again. And it's 5,000 BTUs. Again, what does that mean to you and me? Well, that means it cooks up to about 500 degrees, and those little propane cylinders, they work for about 4 hours on this when they're full. And speaking of those propane cylinders, all you have to do is attach it to the back and you're ready to go. And the really nice thing is all of this is already set up for you right out of the box. You literally pick this up and it's ready to cook. And what's really nice is starting it. They make it really easy. You don't have to carry a lighter or anything like that. All you do is turn the knob to start, and you hear it click. Now you might have to do that 2 or 3 times, but generally it works pretty well. But what you really want to know is would I recommend it or would I buy it again? Absolutely, I would buy this again. In fact, this is my second CGG 180. After a year of use, my daughter mentioned how much she liked our first one, so I went ahead and gave it to her, and I bought the second one for myself. I love the fact that it comes out of the box ready to go. It's very portable. It cooks really well. The cooking surface is perfect for a family of 4 or smaller. And if I'm honest, this thing just looks good also. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.